CPOS interfaces are used to improve the ability of routers to aggregate low-speed access links. This video shows you how to interconnect CPOS and E1 interfaces. Take this figure as an example. To interconnect the CPOS interface on device A with two E1 interfaces on device B and configure MP group interfaces to achieve link bundling, perform the following steps. The first step is to configure working modes for the CPOS and E1 interfaces and create synchronous serial interfaces. Specifically, run the E1 unframed command to configure a working mode for the CPOS interface on device A. Then, run the using E1 command to configure a working mode for the E1 interfaces on device B. The two types of interfaces can work in either channelized or clear channel mode. For each synchronous serial interface you create, its bandwidth varies according to the working mode. In clear channel mode, the created interface does not involve timeslot division and operates at a bandwidth of 2.048 Mbit per second. In channelized mode, the created interface operates at a bandwidth equal to n multiplied by 64 kbit per second, where n is the number of bundled channels. The CPOS and E1 interfaces on both ends must work in the same mode. In this example, the clear channel mode is selected. The second step is to configure MP group interfaces and add the synchronous serial interfaces to the MP group interfaces. To achieve this, we need to configure an MP group interface on device A and add two synchronous serial interfaces to this interface. Note that the synchronous serial interfaces added to an MP group interface must have the same slot ID and card ID as the MP group interface. Then, repeat these operations on device B. The final step is to verify the configuration. Ping the IP address of device B from device A. If the ping succeeds, the CPOS and E1 interfaces are successfully interconnected. That's all about how to interconnect CPOS and E1 interfaces on NetEngine series routers. Thank you for watching.